The topic to be about understanding general desires and needs in relationships, avoiding any sexually suggestive content. The focus will be on building stronger connections and fostering mutual appreciation. Decoding the relationship matrix, what both partners secretly crave. Ever feel like you're speaking a different language than your partner? Like you're orbiting separate planets instead of sharing the same couch? Let's dive into the unspoken desires that can make or break a relationship for both men and women. Forget telepathy. No one can read minds. Open and honest communication is the bedrock of any thriving relationship. Expressing your needs and desires isn't selfish. It's essential. It allows your partner to understand you better and meet you halfway. Feeling appreciated is like a warm hug for the soul. It validates your efforts and strengthens your bond. Small gestures of gratitude can go a long way. A simple thank you or acknowledging their efforts can make a huge difference. In a world of constant distractions, quality time is a precious commodity. Put down your phones and truly connect. Engage in activities you both enjoy. Whether it's a hike, a movie night, or simply a deep conversation, make the time count. Life throws curveballs. Having a supportive partner to lean on is invaluable. Offer a listening ear and a shoulder to cry on. Be there for them during tough times, and allow them to be there for you too. Having shared values provides a solid foundation for a long-term relationship. It ensures you're both heading in the same direction. Discuss your beliefs and aspirations. Identify common ground and build your future on shared principles. Respect is non-negotiable. It's the cornerstone of a healthy and fulfilling relationship. Treat your partner with kindness and consideration. Value their opinions and boundaries, even when you disagree. A healthy relationship encourages individual growth. Support each other's passions and aspirations. Don't try to stifle their individuality. Celebrate their successes and encourage them to pursue their dreams. Engage in stimulating conversations and activities. Keep your minds active and connected. Explore new ideas and challenge each other intellectually. This keeps the relationship fresh and exciting. Physical affection isn't just about sex. It's about expressing love and intimacy through touch. Hold hands, cuddle on the couch, or give a spontaneous hug. These small gestures can strengthen your bond. Trust is earned, not given. It's the foundation upon which all healthy relationships are built. Be honest and reliable. Keep your promises and be transparent in your actions. Are we expecting too much from our partners? Is the pressure to be perfect damaging relationships? The answer is complex. While it's important to have expectations, it's equally important to be realistic and understanding. The key is to find a balance between individuality and togetherness. Maintain your own identity while nurturing your relationship. Don't lose yourself in the relationship. Continue to pursue your own interests and maintain your own friendships. Let's face it, relationships can be hilarious. From awkward first dates to silly arguments, there's plenty of humor to be found. Laugh at yourselves and your mistakes. Don't take everything too seriously. Relationships aren't always easy. They require effort, compromise, and a willingness to work through challenges. Don't expect a fairy tale ending. Be prepared to put in the work and navigate the ups and downs together. So, are you ready to level up your relationship game? Start by having an honest conversation with your partner about your needs and desires. Share this video with them to spark a discussion. Then, head down to the comments and tell us, what's one thing you wish your partner did more of? In a respectful and constructive way, of course. Don't forget to subscribe for more relationship insights and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video on navigating conflict in relationships. Let's build stronger, happier connections together.